Good morning, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. www.orlandopainters.net. We are here at the All-Star Auto Lights warehouse on Grant Street in Orlando off of Orange Avenue. And we're going to be epoxy coating this warehouse floor. As you can see, I don't know how many years ago it was, quite a few years ago, I guess the contractor came in here and applied a water-based epoxy over the sealed warehouse floor. So, which is a big no-no. Obviously, that's why the floor didn't last. The coating didn't last on the floor. As you can see, it's really wore off really bad. But like I've explained in other videos, this is a sealed warehouse floor, which means there's no open pores. It's literally impossible for any floor coating to adhere to a concrete substrate without open pores. The coating has to be able to get into the pores of the concrete and basically stick and adhere itself. So if there's no open pores, I don't care if you have the best epoxy ever made in the planet, it's not going to stick to the floor very long. It's going to wear off, delaminate very quickly. So the contractor came in and, for one thing, he used a water-based epoxy, which is not a very durable product for a warehouse, especially when there's forklifts. As you can see in the background, there's a forklift right there. And pallet jacks all over the place. A water-based epoxy is not going to hold up to that. Even the best two-part solvent or two-part water-based epoxies cannot hold up to forklifts and pallet jacks. So, and on top of it, the floor is sealed. So, what we're going to do, we're going to come in and do it the right way. We're going to grind this floor. We're going to grind all this water-based epoxy off this floor, abrade the surface, create open pores in the substrate. We're going to take it down to here, about right where that guy's walking. We're going to stop it there. It's going to go down here where you see in the background, you see the rack of headlights. We're going to stop it there. We're going to take it all the way through here back to those double doors all the way back there. Run it through here, do their bathroom floor. I mean, here's a perfect example of, there was the last contractor's job there. That held up real well, huh? So what we'll do is, like I said, we'll grind this entire floor, create open pores. We're going to clean this floor real well when we're done. This is going to be over Labor Day weekend here. Today's Friday, so we'll be here all day today into late into the night. Come back tomorrow morning, work again. Come back Sunday, work again. Give Sunday night and all day Monday, and then they'll start production Tuesday morning at about 6 a.m. So we'll have quite a bit of time of drying time for the clear coat. Another thing this contractor didn't do when he put down this water-based epoxy, he didn't put a protective clear coat over the top of it either. And that's really, almost one of the most important parts of doing epoxy floors is using a protective clear coat. You have to have something, you have to have a clear coat to protect the actual floor coating itself. But at any rate, that's why they hired us to do it the right way. So we want to thank Matt and Mike at All-Star here. We appreciate the business, buddy. They're running a little production here this morning. I think they're all working here till 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. So what we're going to do is, right here, we're just going to build a plastic wall, and we're going to end up grinding this whole back area this morning. We'll grind this whole area this morning, and in fact, we'll get it all cleaned after we After we get it all grinded, we'll come in here, we'll clean the heck out of it. We're not going to use water, we're not going to pressure wash it. This is inside. We're under a time restraint, so what we're going to do is grind this floor and then take a really rapid drying solvent cleaner and get all the dust, concrete dust, out of the pores of this concrete. Get it nice, spick and span clean. And then we're going to apply our 2-part solvent-based epoxy. By the time we're done in here, we'll be able to take this plastic wall down and get moving throughout the rest of this warehouse. Our goal is to, I think I've got 5 or 6 guys around here somewhere right now. There'll be another team coming to help these guys at about 3 o'clock this afternoon. So we'll work late into the night. Our goal on this first day of this project is to get everything grinded, ground, whatever it is, ground down, 1 coat of the 2-part solvent-based epoxy. We'll come in tomorrow morning, and then we're going to start creating putting down our tape lines. They want a 12-inch border all the way around the perimeter where the wall meets the floor. So we'll let the epoxy dry overnight, come back, make all of our tape lines, apply the other epoxy to create the border. And we also have 3 logos that we're putting in this floor. They ordered some, I don't know if they have stencils or they're using like vinyl decals. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we're going to apply those to the floor as well and clear coat over the top of that. So we're in the very, very, very beginning stages here of this project. I'll do a few more videos so you can see work in progress and our final results, obviously. Again, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters LLC, orlandopainters.net. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.